Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we are going to talk about MyPal. But before that, let me remind you that this video is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. First things first, how can you download MyPal? Just use your Android device and search for MyPal Pro on the Play Store. After that, install it and sign up. Verify your account using either your email or cell phone. They have two card options that you can choose from: a physical card and virtual card. For example, if you don't want a physical card, you can apply for the virtual card. The promo price for the virtual card is only 1 USDT. On the other hand, the physical card costs 100 USDT. It features no management fee, supports global POS transactions, and supports global ATM withdrawals with a low fee of only 1.7%. With this, you don't need all of those traditional exchanges. Just transfer your funds here in USDT form and you can use it all around the world. You can top up your account here. For example, when you top up using TRC20 or BEP20, you can either scan the QR code or copy the address. Let's copy this address and head over to BitGet. Alright guys, our top up has been successful. Let's go back to MyPal and check if the funds are already there. As you can see, when topping up around 10 or 15 USDT, we receive 8.5 USD after the top up tax is applied. Now we can use these funds or you can exchange them between USDT and USD, whatever you want. You can also withdraw your funds as simple as that and use them directly with your physical or virtual card. There is also global remittance available, which is supported in over 80 countries. It supports 40 plus wallets, 38 fiat currencies, and over 200 cryptocurrencies across Singapore, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, and Oceania. Inside your account, you can complete your verification via KYC. They have a level 1 verification and a level 2 verification. Level 1 verification supports basics access to virtual and physical cards, e-bank wallets, and remittance. Upgrading to level 2. Verifications grant supports for even more virtual and physical cards, e-bank wallets, and remittances. Saves you a 5 USDT monthly fee, increases your spending limit to 20,000 USDT per transaction, and bumps your ATM withdrawal limit up to 3,750 USD per day. So you definitely need to complete your KYC. Within the settings, you can check out coupons, adjust language options, become an ambassador, or follow their official Twitter account directly from inside the app. Also, you can invite friends to earn up to 40% commission plus a 10% referral commission. The more friends you invite, the higher your rebate level becomes. Across VIP 1, VIP 2, VIP 3, and VIP 4, you can get a remittance rebate of up to 0.25%. Here's your invitation code. You can copy it, share it with your friends, or send them the link directly to post on Twitter, Facebook, or whatever platform you like. To recap, this is the MyPal wallet. You can download it on Play Store and top it up using TRC20, BEP20, or Binance Pay. Let me remind you again that the minimum deposit amount requires 10 network confirmations for a top up to complete, and withdrawals require 10 network confirmations as well. Only USDT BEP20 deposits are accepted at the BEP20 address, and only USDT TRC20 deposits are accepted at the TRC20 address. You cannot deposit TON, BTC, or any other coins directly, just USDT. I just want to be clear on so your transactions go through successfully. To apply for a card, simply click the apply button. If you want the physical card, you will need to input your region, first name, last name, ID type, and ID number, and pay the shipping price along with the 100 USDT fee. If you want the virtual card, which you can use right over the counter to do things like buy coffee, the fee is only 1 USD. The application process is the same as the physical card, just input your country, first name, last name, ID type, and ID number. If you want to use your crypto in the real world without having to go through traditional exchanges, this application is the key to doing that. Again, this is MyPal, and if you want to learn more about this application, just click the subscribe button, and thank you for watching. Bye.